Your support team gets a ticket. Does your API support batch processing? Your AI chatbot confidently answers yes, and it's wrong. The feature was deprecated 6 months ago, but the model was trained on old data. The customer escalates. Your team wastes 2 hours cleaning up the mess. This is the cost of frozen knowledge. Every time your product evolves, your AI falls further behind reality. That's where the OKF Revolution changes the game. OpenWiki plus LangChain doesn't memorize your docs, it reads them live, every single time. Here are the 5 breakthroughs that make this work. Number 5. Semantic vector indexing. Instead of keyword matching, OpenWiki converts your documents into mathematical embeddings, dense vectors that capture meaning. A query about connection deadline exceeded now finds your API timeout handling guide instantly, even with 0 exact word overlap. LangChain retrieves by semantic similarity, not string matching. This eliminates the false negatives that leave customers confused. Number 4. Chain of thought grounding. LangChain breaks the LLM's reasoning into visible steps: retrieve context, filter for relevance, reason through it, cite the source. When your bot says batch processing is supported, and it found that answer in your docs, it shows you exactly where it came from. You can audit it, trust it, fix it. No more black box hallucinations. Number 3. Version-aware retrieval. OpenWiki tracks every document's history and metadata. LangChain can query show me only version 2.1 docs or flag anything modified before this deprecation date. Your support bot never recommends the old authentication method because it filtered to docs after the breaking change. Old information becomes invisible on demand. Number 2. Multi-Tenant context isolation. 2 SaaS customers query the same LangChain instance, but Customer A only sees Customer A's policies, and Customer B only sees Customer B's API specs. Careful prompt engineering and memory partitioning keep knowledge completely separate. One customer's confidential docs never leak into another's conversation. Number 1. The elimination of retraining. This is the real revolution. Instead of retraining your model every time your product changes, expensive, slow, and risky, you update OpenWiki once. Every LLM chatbot, copilot instance, custom agent, and support bot instantly sees the new information on the next query. One source of truth. Instant consistency. No more hallucinating outdated features. Here's the reality check. This system works best when your knowledge is written clearly and stays organized. If your documentation is scattered, vague, or constantly contradictory, even the best vector retrieval won't save you. The OKF combination is a force multiplier for teams that already care about documentation quality. Think of OpenWiki as a shared family bulletin board and LangChain as a family member who can read it. If you're drowning in support tickets because your AI keeps guessing wrong, or your engineers spend cycles re-explaining the same architectural decision to every new chatbot, this is the pattern that fixes it. One shared brain. Always up to date. Ready to scale. Subscribe to stay ahead of the AI knowledge revolution.